when we think about tax, especially historically, it's always been about this relationship between the people, us, and the government. It's about what part of our resources we're contributing to that shared purse of government. It's really important that we don't only think about the impact of how we spend our shared resources, but how we're collecting those shared resources. And in that sense, it's about what we're choosing to tax, but also how we're choosing to collect that tax that has a huge impact on people's lives. In the world of tax, we're asking really big questions right now about how the tax system is going to respond, firstly, to the fourth industrial revolution, and secondly, to climate change. And I think over the next 30 years, we're going to see these really big questions play out in tax policy. So these are the huge disruptors, and it's raising questions around what the tax system does about digital businesses, about workers in the gig economy, and then also thinking about the negative externalities associated with us using natural resources and how the tax system can respond to that. I think the biggest challenge we have right now is to accept that fairness is subjective, and so as a result of that, there's never going to be one version of the tax system which is perfectly fair and seems fair to everybody. So as a result, I think there's three questions we need to ask ourselves. The first question is, are we having the conversation about fairness in tax? Secondly, are we bringing the language of well-being to that conversation? And I think finally, do we have diverse voices at the tax policy table?